Chemu akwa be Adom TV Badwam so eni kase ne braso se utie bie ne asie o mamu no e braso se ye de bron samne do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini Medical Laboratory Professionals Workers Union abonche ne saban wo mu ne ma bi se ya nyamfa ma wo mu a wo mbeti atua ye de honsam no ebe bro na fe yakọ ensamfoforo emu a Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajimande to EC enim se eye registration exercise no a ebe baso no omma prepreye enye adwuma no ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV kase wo Go TV a channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no eye 280 medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den sam ni chemu ankasa etie First National Vice President da Medical Laboratory Professional Workers Union Dr. Franklin Amate Ama enene wode nsama hodo bi eto edwa condition of service de da wakoma so e sa ban no na fei baabi a won so agina se kuo no wo animdefo a eba akanie mu a won so betimi ayi mpanifo mu adu ani mo kan ti de ekoso wase ho no mpanifo mu ani na ho ewo ho Adom TV kase eto so
send this signal to those at the helm of affairs at Parliament that the malicious amendment that people are seeking and trying to smuggle in by redefining the medical laboratory space is not in the interest of the Ghanaian. And to arrest or to avert any labor unrest, it is proper that we are brought to the table so that we can find a common ground in the interest of the Ghanaian.
For penny de makui Dr. Sefas Kofi Akoto enso de tudwa se omu atwro krata bebre de akoma mpanifo efa kwan obefa so a ondwumadi ho akatua ebepeja nanso ekamaye se mpanifo entu anamo bia ewo ho.
As a profession that existed in this country for over 50 years, we have no condition of service, and we have submitted proposals since December last year till date. Negotiation has never taken place, and even it took the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission a very long time to sign rules of engagement. The law demands that when you submit a proposal, within 14 days, there should be engagement. We have submitted proposal from December, followed up to now. No negotiation has begun. So this is a warning or a signal to the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission to take note that heat is building up within the rank and file of our profession. And if nothing is done immediately to engage the union, we can let them take the law into their hands.
2020 running mate Edema Kane Mampeni John Dramani Mahamana NDC Franka Tuni Professor Jenana Opoku Ajima wode to Electoral Commission penifo ni mwadwuma one more eba beye limited voters registration ho was so oni die ma omano kwaridie ne prepreye enedi Adom TV etwaso
straight den sendi ohana kanyezem osana yemu bi oho bi akro kase ne atenam Insemro Comedy Street ipo ebi amotu manante wako ibi oho a ofa trotro kra wedu na ihe no me yansi ya na yemfi kro kasime no yenyi mote ibi abafa car ba ya nana na akọ ekodu nana esim yembe su onye adwuma nye oho so no wedu ondo wo kire wonzini na warkandan nsena na ya basra won obi amfa na anuntum azeza ere na ayeniye ya na ayeniye enye nesin no nkonkodu bebi no mfa oha omba
Himpopro ya owogu mu afete nana abo ata ya otoso mienu so ede adesre eto mpanifo nim so momodin a empuntu dwuma hodo a ekwaso wo memu no omusu ebenya bie na enwuma ho nsem abamo mebuna wo ho so enya biaye.
Construction of modern football pitch, construction of drain to ease erosion, education and youth development, investment drive and job creation, peace and security, land management. Mr. Chairman, I am highly excited to announce that very significant progress has been over the past years.
Obia Nkone District. Den sendi ohana
campaign team members dema mampani abedi akire ya na nida kwan so betu franka ama MPP amanyoko Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nenei wose wamuhia enkabomu wamo kwa akoto aba no wamo to ene wono ato awie sebeya 8 no mpeso mu break ye no watimi adu sa abotaye no ho
Mantam so afọ kwamena wachere da akomensa echire mu a esan sikasem ho ntotoye a enkwaso yie o mantam ho nti enwuma hodo a na enko ho odin a saso chen kura ba otumi gina won naso ne nyina ahwe asesa abere ya ya awra hosem ye pa wachere se sika esese enko
Enti facha ye se yenya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team no ene na emom no ye Western Regional Minister Kwabena Ochireda Kumensa to financial institutions ahodo no anim se womie ekwan emoa wosikasem na giemu ne kura mu no ne ade no womiem na wonkyeremu nkyira manfo no nsama odi tuda ene
Mantam so afọ kwamena wachere da akomensa echire mu a esan sikasem ho ntotoye a enkwaso yie o mantam ho nti enwuma hodo a na enko ho odin a saso chen kura ba otumi gina won naso ne nyina ahwe asesa abere ya awra hosem ye pa wachere se sika esese enko manfo ede yie na ode hyenwuma hodo mu e wosika kura bia no nya na ode hyenwuma emoa wonda ache kwan bia so eno nti sika kura bia won potem ho nyina won modin se wachere manfo kwampa obefa so a ode sika ebedi dwuma se ne be ya ebeboa ankasa
one of our biggest challenges in this country is that we hardly talk about how people are going to create money. As you get into your 50th year, I want you to continue to invest in financial literacy. One of the biggest challenges we have in this country is that people don't know what money is all about. A lot of people think that money is for expenses. It is not for expenses. It is for investment. It's only when you invest and make profits, then you chop some. Bank manager, is that not so? But most of us, when we get money, the first thing is to look at the television. We don't have it now. We look for the latest car our friends have bought. We look for the latest markets we want to sleep on it and be comfortable. And then the latest fried rice.
Head teachers, yeah, one more course model basic school. Yeah, no war Asante Achim Central. Mensini mo fre abai ene woma wonsem wo bie se school no ba bie dro se sie en wo hia emwa ene ma hodo e betimi ama school na gina ne nan so sebe ya adesua ne ade kire wo honso e be yi.
Ane doso. This school e nyine na ye koye ni 20 years ni ye nyine. Nkran doso nti se ne ye kan no classroom blocks ye nya bia be boa e pi ne MP ashebo say ombebe 3 unit classroom block. Yes answer. Yes answer say try problem ni expand ya. Obi yan kwa be we school. Obi a person in the baba school ma say. Yes answer o mo ba na classroom ti challenge ntime enyi nkola ni na. Nti we ko so asre Adom for some medom ye.
Na nya classroom ti ngwa ni hia. Nkonya kwada no betina so say problem pa kwada no drop. Afei ye hia toilet facility. Ti e besra Adom for some mo no maye mwa na say the school na gidi no enyi di nchen se de
Enwechi Okotan Sadani o Director of Education e obosom twemensine ne mu enso ni Adom kase atwetwem komo no wadi tu dwase obeye de betimi e de aboa sebe ya wo mka wo no obetimi aso ano ama wo mu
me free Asante Achim ha yi nyame aboa makodi director e wo obosom twem niema pa makohunu no e na me ban ha sei so a me bo ho dawro se awofo ahemfo no obi biara education done akoma so me dey no begim na yasren so say Honorable Minister of Education nema pa wa ye ho STEM education TVET haja no homre so ho no na da wo ma ode ebi so ebebre ya ha se dia men so anye bia se me fribo so mtwe ne me ba ha men so me hu se bio de me hu no ho no ebi aba ha.
Ejumako bi ansha abanse wo Savannah Mantam ne mo ye Center for Rural Improvement Service. Wamwenya mo free United Nations Development Program hono ama sase yantambe se 15 die wono mo afuntu mu ya wono boa sebe ye akuafo nso wo betumi dua wono baya no so beba no na aye kama ebi ene enwowanyen nom ne ade ne ma bebre na afeba ku yi won di si wani so ode bo akuafo Adom TV kase etwaso
bank account with National Investment Bank Tamal in Sola. We are going to support them with seed money. We are supporting them with seed money. So a seed capital for that matter, so that it will support them to undertake their various business enterprises. And so for those who have already farmed, who already do their own initiatives to plow will refund the plowing cost to them.
Pani kwankyerefo ohwe hwedwuma ne nuane ho nsɛm so ɛwɔ solar tuna kalba mensini mu Mohammed Shiraz ɛso de anoba nsɛm ɛma yi sɛ ɔno so na so ɛyɛ no bɛyɛ de betumi bia ɛde aso wɔn asene sɛ ne bɛyɛ ni so ade hunu a wɔn ɛde aba mpɔtam hɔ no ebetumi ɛgyina ne naso na ɔmanfo anya ho fa so.
The chiefs and people of this community and elsewhere that our office is open 24/7. We are prepared to partner with Chris so that at the end of the day the project will achieve its desired objectives. Please, Chief, once more, and elders of this community, my mothers, my brothers and sisters, our doors remain open. Call at our doors anytime. We are willing to come to your assistance.
Already open bank account.
Ne kokobo ma emebunu wo man Ghana mu so mu ani na ho wo mbotaye onhwe so on betumi edru ehun ma won toto won ho ase na 2023 National Youth Conference ekoso na Trasako Group Penny Kwancherefo da no de afutuo yi ema.
My message to all the youth especially is that we all have something in ourselves and something has to trigger it, okay? When we are young, we just like having fun, going out, having a good time, drinking, girlfriends. But there's more to that, because that will come to an end. And if you don't take the necessary action, you just grow old and you haven't achieved anything with your life.
Owie no sai editu dwa se emebunu momodin ase wani bekọ anamontu a wotu se ne beya wondaachi ebekọ nkan ho no ntwon free nneoma bia emwa won ana emfamfa so die bia emre won ho.
But advise you to really take your life the youth to take your life have fun but hard work and a bit of love and when you are young you can be somehow irresponsible. Like I said, I did not wait to get the 5 million, but I was determined, and eventually I got it. And that's what made the decision.
Doma West District, no wabunomante mo nyame adomonti yade safi ye hye ase nkwada ye wo mo anka wo mo enya nkwa nkra ye wo mo wo ene abatan hye kwa wo ye so a wo mo mana wo man record bi kra ya enu nyina dadi se hye pa eguna kwan so wo ho Adom TV etwoso
Ijana apia brobe ya ono ne Penny Kwancherefo hwapomden so Doma West mensini mu ekiremu a ne etumi aboa mo etumi enya abodin etese eye ayaresabe ahodo a wodi akonkurase eni twaka papa da apomden adwumayefo ene wonoma ohwege awo ewompatom ahodo mu akirese sanse ayaresabe ewo nkurase ene miamia ahodo ntino emama ya wo mu afafuro no nyakwankọ ayarehwe wabra omre ho kra ensema wodi tu dwabinie
as a district ya recording Sadia Nibida. Nina ye health facilities are available. Which I am Potemuha, ye were cheap compounds in Ibebre. And in Tanam say, ye the health service and study your primary health services in Tiano. Ya carry health services to people's doorsteps in Tino. And Momutuan among Eba, a brebiara or Mubenin saying, or more reporting them, baby a midwife for her. Into a reporting them to Mishana, Copim say, ne time or Besua or Bewo.
Francis upon ya ono ne abankra chipeni owo Doma West enekubuwe chips compound na wasi ne foforo kra ewo apreku krom ano eno de tudwa se kroma no momodin ase obekra sa bia yi wofu a omondodo ho se ne ebe ya ahwefo nso ebetumi ahwe won yie na pomodin so apagya ewo mpotam ho
de mesre nananom ene timamufo ewo ha ne se bema kosafudwuma ehiabe bemmo sa facility ho ban na esomra emfaso de mesa ka kire adwumayefo mba beye adwuma ha ne se omunya ayarefo ho abotre na omunya omo ho adwuma na omunya omo kakai ye de nim se omakosua ntete e woni pa ho nti omunya omo ho abotre
Paramount Queen Mother ya wa Sebu traditional area so it is samo to jana yeko sampan wode men was 2023 Sebu apanyem kese festival no de wo mo hwa na ankoma yi eniema ahodo anshoto okro no mu te se condom no ne ade na kwabrane abo no ne namase basa da bi Idi kwan se de sa niema no ene ba so wo ho na mom de beboa ma dimpa aka kuro no mu no na nananom atena nkonya ehwe ni mu ho nanane Adom TV kase edi nkomoi
1 year na me celebrate me 1 year me more youth ni nyina wa ya awede I'm for the youth because I am the youth into me pada what as there me being the youth queen mother no me won be adwuma amara me hye won bo there sisi afehye ye bezi obehiye de he nyina ebe sere ye nukro ye ngina mo original asa ebupe ode ye kokro nyina do kosi amponsie nto ohino ane do ohima wo no odo obo no de omanyen na ne hima wore ba besere na obi ye hunya no ndom na ndom no so wehunya obehiye de free mri to mri no ye bakasa mesra one more communication no nye adwuma
apejahene ya owo asebu nananom atrankonya nana obokese ampa enso ekirekire se de afi dwumade ni ebesi akọ ene nhyehyɛ ya eda ho nyina
Monday ono ye clean up exercise oye Tuesday no ye bibi ya twenzin ancestral veneration ye kano obokese da kontu ono no ye ka kai ewa akwar na ye mo day ye to won nchine Wednesday ukuda no oye Women's Day ono no ye bako funfun pom Wednesday no jama dana so ne ye baye apem kase fesfe
Yo den ye Queen TV Badwam kase na no pay no ha na bema kwan na wadaroma me de asiase da ne ye ode emre ne adaje a wode share kase no ebra na so sa wo kwa Awurade mfa nkombra ne mum sa wonya o hyenkani dia bebi obeduro no ana wo phone no so Facebook/Adom TV ana se Go TV 119 DSTV ye 280 channel sa Adom TV ye share ye twe ho simaketwa ini abada wonkrata no wa ha online stories no so ye de beto so de amamo na fe agudie mu nsam apomuden ho enkomodie na fe ahosepe entu de nya fidie ni free ha me basisi a kwasi kame ho na fe ya